Okay, guys, good morning. This is the Blessed Man. Today, I want to quickly show you another withdrawal from Earning Club. For those of us who has not, you've not joined, or you have joined and you have not recharged the account. Probably you are becoming afraid, or maybe you don't want to take a risk. I want to show you that this is the third time I'm going to be withdrawing from Earning Club, and the money I invested in or I used to recharge in Earning Club, by the time I recover it in full, I will show you in this place. Please, if you're on my channel, if not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get every video that I drop on daily basis, on weekly basis. There are some other things I'm going to be showing you, other sites, things that are working. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it to your friends and your family. And then I'm going to show you. You can see in my Earning Club account, I have $640. I've made a total of $157. I think I started this on the 10th of August, and this is where we are. Today I made $28.71, 28 point, yeah, $87 right now. Yesterday I made $28.71. So I'm going to show you my Trust Wallet balance so that by the time this money gets into my Trust Wallet, I'm going to show you another video to show you the evidence of this money that I collected. So right now, this is what I have. This is what I have in my. This is what I have in my Trust Wallet. $1. I have $1.69 in this account. So right now I am going to make my withdrawal, and then if I just come to my Earning Club account, I'll click on withdrawal. Now $640. Okay, I'm going to take $140. I'm going to take $140. Then I put my password. Okay, I put my password. Okay, I just paused the video to put my password for those of you who want to go and steal my money. So my password is here now. So what I need to do is to just come here, and then I will click on withdraw. You can see it's success. The withdrawal is success. So now I have $500.88 in my account. So if I go back here now, okay, all right. So this is it. What we're going to do now is if I go to my um okay, if I click on me and I click on withdrawal record, you can see, like I said, this is the third time I am withdrawing. The first time I withdraw $21, the thing failed and returned back to my account. I then withdraw $26, it was successful, and I got it in my Trust Wallet. The other time I withdraw $53 and it was successful. The thing got to my Trust Wallet. So this one is $140, and you can see that the thing is in process. Once it is complete, it's going to read successful. It's going to read successful, and normally it takes 24 hours for this money to be credited into your Trust Wallet account. It takes 24 hours. But I was surprised this morning. I did a withdrawal for my wife, for my wife's account, and I did it around 7 a.m. and within 1 hour the money was in her Trust Wallet. So let me just show you her account so that you can understand what I'm saying. All right. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to log out from this account. And if I log out from this account, I'm going to log in again with her password and everything. So this is her account right now. So if I go to, sorry, if I go to me, I go to withdraw record. You can see I withdraw $21. This is today, 23. I withdraw it around 6:32 a.m. This morning, 23 August 2021. I withdraw $21, and this is a Trust Wallet account. I'm showing you everything so that you can see that this thing works. We are not here telling stories, and you need to join this. So you can see here, this is the amount in her Trust Wallet. She has about $2 here before, and then she received $19, 32, $19, 32 cents because of the 8% withdrawal fee that Earning Club is charging. So you can see that the money is right there in her account. So the same way, I'm going to make another video to show you um, the arrival of my own $140 in my Trust Wallet. I'm going to show you, and maybe if I get the money today, I am going to make the video and I will show you. If I get it tomorrow, I am going to make the video and show you. But just look at it here. I am not, this is not a screenshot. You can see where I am. This is my Trust Wallet account. These are all my airdrops. So I am not joking, and this is live withdrawal that I am showing you live and direct. So when I'm making another video to show you that this money actually entered into this account, you will know that what we are saying is actually the truth about this. So guys, this is it. If you have not joined any club, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video for you to register your account. You can register account in any club for free, and then you are going to do some tasks for 5 days, and then you earn about $3. If you want to continue earning, you have to recharge your account. You can recharge as low as $10. You can also recharge if you want to be in VIP one, you recharge $10, between $10 and $49. If you want to be on VIP two, you recharge from $50 and above. If you want to be on VIP three, you recharge $500, and so on and so forth. Any of them that you want to do, just go ahead and do. If you're having any challenge about how to make deposits and how to actually recharge your account, please, you can chat me. You can follow my WhatsApp group, and then you speak to me, and then from there we are going to from there um, I'm going to guide you and help you to withdraw, help you to recharge your account. So thank you guys. Make sure that you subscribe to my video and to my channel, and then you like this video. Thank you and God bless you.